never understand the type of human being Prophet Ebuka is. Yes, I never understand. What is happening to Zion Ministry? Yes, what is happening to Zion Ministry? Is it Zion Ministry? Is it the only church? Is it only the only ministry in Nigeria? Is it the only ministry in Nigeria? Eh? What is happening? Whenever Prophet Ebuka go, Prophet Ebuka used to show love. Yes. Wherever Prophet Ebuka go, Prophet Ebuka used to show love. Look at how Prophet Ebuka gave out 2.5 million naira to the poor widows. Yes, I will just allow people to watch this video and see how Prophet Ebuka show love to the poor masses. Yes, after giving out 6 million naira to the Zion workers, now he bring out 2.5 million naira to the poor widows. I will just allow people to watch this video. But please, when you are watching this video, please don't forget to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just watch this to the end. I'm coming back to tell you the full gist.
All of you, 2.5 million, God bless you.
Thank you.
Share, whatever you put it, I give all of you. Whatever you put it, you will prosper. Bring the whole Mbati. Yoruba Zionites, 25 million naira. For you people, Yoruba Zionites, Western Zionites.
Kò fi wá ṣeré. A ní bàbá wa o. A ní bàbá kan o. Ó ń ṣe tọ́jú wa o. A ní bàbá kan o. Zion Ministry yìí ti gbogbo wa ní. Mìíràn tí a lè lọ, àjò lè dàbí ilé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́pọ̀ ká fi mọ̀ ṣọ̀kan. Gbẹ́kẹ̀lé Zion ìyára.
Òṣùbà wáyé. Òṣùbà wáyé. Ọba tá ò rí.
Thank you, Daddy. We love you.
2.5 million. All of you, 2.5 million. God bless you.
Thank you.
Share, whatever you put it, I give all of you. Whatever you put it, you will prosper.
Thank you. We Western or Voice of Zion Western, thank you. We love you for your care, for everything you are doing for us. We appreciate you. Thank you. You will not die. Zion Ministry will continue to grow. I pray you will not leave us. And we, the voice of Western Zionites, we know it. I'm Molero. I say go.
Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá. Ẹ bá mi sọ pé dádì gbòòsà, ẹ bá mi jẹ́ gbòòsà mẹ́ta. Gbòòsà. Àwọn àsìkò yìí sọ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin jẹ́jẹ́ Yorùbá tẹ wà ń ta tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí ìwọlé wá. Afẹ́kẹ́ ẹ máa bọ̀ torí pé ìyanu ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Zion. Àbí ẹ̀rí bí? Dádì wa náà lélẹ́yìí tó ń ṣètọ́jú wa. So àwọn tó bá wà tà tí ò tí wà afẹ́kẹ́ ìfàsìkò kẹ́ máa bọ̀ kẹ́ wá jọ ẹ̀ wá máa bọ̀ ń bí. Àdúrà tí iná dẹ̀ máa gbà lórúkọ Jésù. Thank you very much. We love you, sir. Lórúkọ Jésù. Àmín. Àmín. Àmín lórúkọ Jésù. Olúwa wa.
Àmín. A round of applause for Daddy.
God bless you.
A ní bàbá kan. Kò fi wá ṣeré. A ní bàbá wa o. gbogbo wa ní ọmọ ọlọ́ bàjẹ́ torí kò sí òmíràn tí a lè lọ àjò lè dàbí ilé ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́ pọ̀ ká fi mọ̀ ṣọ̀kan kékeré Táyọ̀ ìjọba Táyọ̀.
Yes, so may the good Lord keep protecting Prophet Ebuka. Yes, it is not easy. It is not easy to share 2.5 million.